Welcome to Redsquadrn4 box break number 30. It is 11:26 on Saturday night, November 3rd. This is for 2 boxes of Luxury Suite 1011. First thing I'm going to do is randomize one of the cards to give away. Here are 2 cards. One's to Warren Louvre for the most teams, and that will be the Nick Johnson autographed rookie from Luxury Suite, and then the other one will be random between everybody, Joe Vitale titanium auto. So I'm going to do that one first. Alright, there's all the people and the amount of teams that they won. So I'm going to randomize it 3 times. Top person gets the Joe Vitale. 1, 2, and 3. So Joe Vitale goes to CV Caruso. And so you see 3 times. So sorry about the lighting. The light in the room crapped out tonight. I've got a football random box I just posted tonight, and I'm going to post some Panini Limited also later, and possibly a Prime within the next couple days. It's also a rookie anthology random. So here is try and get you your serial number. I'll do them for both boxes right now, actually. Save the hassle after. And there you go. So, good luck, everyone. Here we go. And sorry, Mark is away. I'm just covering for him, but try to keep things rolling for everybody. Empty box. There we go. Pack number 1. First card for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Dual patch. Mikhail Grabowski, Nikolai Kulemin. 19 out of 20. That's a good start, and the Leafs will enjoy this one too. Jonas Gustafsson, jersey. 437 out of 599. And for the St. Louis Blues, rookie Nicholas Drezena, whatever. 844 out of 899. This one's pretty thick. So we've got a Corey Emerton, rookie, Red Wings. 320 out of 899. Brody DuPont, rookie, New York Rangers. That would be 811 out of 899. Philadelphia Flyers jersey card, Jeff Carter, 32 out of 599. We got for the Anaheim Ducks private signings, Dan Ellis. No number on that one. And Spacer. Philadelphia Flyers, Eric Wellwood, rookie. 354 out of 899. Chicago Blackhawks, Michael Frolik, jersey card. 575 out of 599. And for the Phoenix Coyotes, Oliver Ekman-Larsson autograph with a prime jersey, I believe. Nice card there. 27 out of 299. St. Louis Blues, Cracknell, rookie, 366 out of 899. Carolina Hurricanes, Cam Moore, jersey, 425 out of 599. And if the Oilers had any good goalies, but still a nice looking card. Dual patch, Habibulin, Devin Dubnyk, 16 out of 20. So nice touch to end the first box. So let's go to box number 2. Empty box. And another St. Louis Blues card, rookies, Stefan Della Robert, autograph, rookie, 338 out of 499. Phoenix Coyotes, Shane Doan, jersey, 422 out of 599. For the Sharks, 395 out of 899. And Tommy Wingles. Dallas Stars, prime jersey, Steve Ott, 18 out of 150. St. Louis Blues again, jersey card, TJ Oshie, 567 out of 599. And for the Chicago Blackhawks rookie, Ben Smith, 91 out of 899. A low number card here for the Boston Bruins. Pretty old, Derek Sanderson autograph, 4 out of 10. For the Minnesota Wild, Mikko Koivu jersey, 565 out of 599. And for the San Jose Sharks, John McCarthy, rookie, 252 out of 899. And last pack, let's see if we can end with a bang. Linus Klassen, Nashville Predators, 399 out of 899. For the Phoenix Coyotes, Ilya Brizgalov, 536 out of 599. Jersey. And I think for the Los Angeles Kings, nice private signings. Gold card here. Rogie Vachon. That's definitely the Kings. And Spacer. So thanks a lot, everyone. Like I said, keep an eye out for the breaks that will be coming up, or that are already posted, and will be coming up in the next couple days.